I'm Antoine, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to set up planet gravity for a wheeled vehicle. So this is just the default advanced vehicle template inside of Unreal Engine 5. This will work for Unreal Engine 4, but for this video I decided to do it for 5. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go and make a new level. Just an empty one. Shapes, and we just want a sphere. I'm just going to set the location to 0, 0, 0. It makes this a little bit easier, but I'll show you how to do other things with it too. That way your planet doesn't have to be at 0, 0, 0. Okay, we need a player, start, a directional light, okay, now as far as that goes, I think we're good. Level's set up. Now we're going to go inside the Chaos Vehicle Blueprint. And inside of here, the first thing we're going to do is go into the mesh. We're going to scroll down to physics, and we're going to disable gravity. We're going to build our own, so we're not using the default Unreal ones. Okay, what we're going to do next is we want to go to event tick update, and we're just going to add another node, and in this one we're going to grab the mesh, and we want to set physics linear velocity, and we're just going to hook that directly up. We do want to add it to current. Now for the new velocity, this is where we're going to do a little bit of math. So I'm just going to make a vector for now. And I'm just going to leave it at 0, 0, 0. But this is also why I made sure the planet was at 0, 0, 0. If you want to do otherwise, you can get actor of class, or get all actors of class, and figure out which one's nearest. And then use the location of that one. But I already know exactly where the planet is, so I'm going to use that location. Then I want to get actor location, and then we're going to find look at rotation basically we're figuring out where the vector for when the planet is looking at the actor. From this we're going to get forward vector, and then because we don't want to go up above we don't want like negative gravity, so we wouldn't be flying off the planet. We want to multiply this. We're going to convert this to an integer, and we just want to multiply it by -1. And then we want to multiply this again by the float, and this float we're going to promote to a variable, and this is going to be our gravity scale. And Let's just hit compile, and I'm going to turn mine up to 10. That's roughly what the default Unreal Engine gravity is. I hope this was helpful. If it was, then please subscribe, and let me know if you have any more questions about this or similar topics. Thank you for watching.